Was the first day the rice was planted. It takes 120 days before it is ready to harvest. Ma'am Anthony and Ma'am Pinuel are arguing and competing on which rice plant is going to be the best for the consumer and get the higher profit.
Aha, for Anthony. I'm going to win this one.
They decided to price their rice equally at the cost of 35 pesos. The sun is shining high. Try to look at the pictures among these acres of rice plants.
And the best design. Pay them now.
And more, put some organic fertilizer on each plant. Premier use and get at the blood
Oliver, you may help Dennis watering the plants.
Dennis battery. Sunod na yan. Isang palay na, tutong kumbaga kay
While Henmar is busy checking the water system, Anthony checks the plants which are healthy and pest-free. Rachel call a break. Mark, will you take a break?
Yes, mother.
While Mark is eating, Ginoel is sleeping.
Kalabaw na natutulog. Anak mo nga.
The day of harvesting comes. Paul is the vendor of Ginoel who sells the rice. At the other part of the market, Mary Rose Rivera sells another Anthony's rice. Based on the kilo of remaining rice, Anthony beat the contest.
CAC doing.
Why is this happen?
Of course, I use organic fertilizer.
Precisely. Based on the farmers we interviewed, using organic materials and power air to the plant